Hi, I'm Ruth and I'm the skincare buyer with Primark.
And I'm Kerry, Beauty Product Coordinator with the Beauty Team.
Today we're going to talk about our new skincare range, PS Naturals. PS Naturals contains naturally derived ingredients, it's cruelty-free and it's also registered with the Vegan Society. I am so excited that this is launched. We really took our time getting this right and I'm so happy with the results. The range is really amazing.
Yeah, it's such a fabulous range. Like from start to finish, you have a whole skincare routine here. It's just fantastic. What's your favourite product?
I love the Band Oil Cleanser.
Ah, fabulous.
I am a serial double cleanser. I want my skin to be squeaky clean.
I'm always preaching this.
I love this and it's so good at removing all your makeup and it's really hydrating as well. You know, you kind of sometimes think oil is going to strip your skin. This is super hydrating with coconut water.
Okay, so I'm going to run through a really simple skincare routine that anybody can use. So I always just pop my hair back out of the way. And I'm going to start with our double cleanse. I'm going to start with our Band Oil. So what I would do here is, if I was in my bathroom, I'm just going to use a bowl of water here. My skin would be damp. And then I would simply add my balm. And as you can see, it starts to melt into an oil.
So quickly. It smells amazing.
And it just starts to melt away that makeup. Okay, so now I've really worked that into the skin. I'm ready to remove with some dampened, wrung out pads. And these are just my cotton pads, and look at that. It's even taken my matte lipstick away so easily. Okay, so I've just finished my first cleanse with the Band Oil Cleanser.
That works so well.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Like, I would have an oily skin content, but I would still use something like that because I feel super hydrated. I don't even feel like I need a moisturizer.
I think a lot of people with oily skin are afraid to use oil products, but it's actually so good.
Oh,
oil
fantastic.
breaks down everything.
Absolutely. I've been using oil for years in my skin and I just feel it's really hydrated and left me looking a little bit more youthful.
Yeah.
So for my second cleanse, I'm going to go in with a gentle cleanser, just to ensure that all the makeup and residue of the day is gone. So ideally, I would use this over a sink, wet your face, have it really moistened, and then just use a little pea-sized amount and foam it up all around your face. Now today I'm focusing just on my face, as I'd use a devoted eye makeup remover for my eye makeup normally. So just in circular motions, I would push the product around the skin. So this is lightly exfoliating also, but it's really, really gentle. It's removing all the impurities and making sure your skin is now squeaky clean. And just focus around the nose area and in and around the chin. And then again, like we did last time, just with a damp cotton pad, or if you're over a sink, you can simply just wash it off. So to finish off a normal skincare routine, your everyday, whether it be in the morning or the evening, I would go in with the moisturizer. And again, this covers all skin types. It's really lightweight. And I'd pop just a small bit in between my hands and warm it. And then again, in circular motions, just massage that into your skin. Don't forget your neck. And that's your really simple daily skincare routine.
Thanks for watching today. Our full PS Naturals range is available in stores now, including all the skincare items we took you through today.